On December 25, an Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson dismissed the Pentagon's assertion of Iran's involvement in an alleged attack on a chemical ship off the coast of India as groundless. This response comes in the wake of the United States military accusing Iran of a drone strike on the Japanese-owned chemical tanker MV Chem Pluto, described as Israel-affiliated. Iran's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Nasser Kanani addressed the accusations during a briefing, categorically rejecting them as baseless. He urged Washington to confront allegations related to its involvement in Israel's actions in Gaza instead. Kanani characterized the claims as a deliberate effort to deflect public attention and to conceal what he described as the American government's unequivocal support for Israel's actions in Gaza. Tehran's Foreign Ministry spokesperson also slammed British Foreign Secretary David Cameron's repetitive and threadbare remarks for branding Iran a malign influence in the region and the world and urged a set of deterrent measures against it. In regards to the incident, the Pentagon asserted that the drone responsible for the attack was fired from Iran. This marks the first instance in which Washington has directly accused Tehran of targeting ships. According to US officials, the attack occurred around 10 a.m. local time in the Indian Ocean, approximately 200 nautical miles off the coast of Gujarat, India. The Pentagon specified that the targeted vessel was the motor vessel Chem Pluto, a Liberia-flagged, Japanese-owned and Netherlands-operated chemical tanker. The attack was carried out by a one-way attack drone fired from Iran. Notably, no US Navy vessels were reported to be in the vicinity, and US Naval Forces Central Command maintained communication with the targeted vessel as it continued toward its destination in India. The Pentagon highlighted that this incident marked the seventh Iranian attack on commercial shipping since 2021. The maritime security firm Ambre has indicated that the attacked ship off the Indian coast was Israel-affiliated and was en route from Saudi Arabia to India. The incident occurred amid a series of attacks on commercial ships in the Red Sea by Yemen-based Houthi rebels who are backed by Iran. These attacks coincide with the ongoing conflict between Israel and the Palestinian militant group Hamas in Gaza. The Houthis had previously issued warnings of targeting all ships heading to Israel, irrespective of their nationality, and cautioned international shipping companies against dealing with Israeli ports. In response to the attack, the Indian Navy dispatched an aircraft and a warship to assist the affected ship and its crew, with reports stating that the fire has been extinguished but has impacted the vessel's functioning. Indian defense officials are investigating whether the drone used in the attack was launched from a long range or from a nearby vessel. Vessels in the vicinity of the attack are undergoing scrutiny. This incident follows a similar suspected drone attack on an Israeli-owned cargo ship in the Indian Ocean last month.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.